Hello again. Okay, part 2 with your answers. So we're still looking at exercise 1, page 130. If you're accidentally starting this video first, please go back and watch part 1. All right, so we're on number 8. So number 8 says, most vegetarians eat all types of vegetables, fruits, and beans. Of is a preposition, so of vegetables, fruits, and beans, that's your prepositional phrase. You just have a compound object because you have and a conjunction. So vegetables, fruits, and beans, that is modifying the word types, okay? Types is a noun, adjectives modify noun, so that is an adjective phrase. All right, number 9, maybe. A diet without any meat can still provide plenty of protein. All right, you have 2 prepositional phrases. You have without any meat, because without is a preposition, meat is your object, of protein. Of is a preposition, protein is your object. So without any meat is modifying the word diet. Diet is a noun. Adjectives modify noun, so that's an adjective phrase. Of protein, that is actually modifying plenty. So think about it. Still provide plenty of protein. Plenty of what? Of protein. Plenty is going to be a noun, and then of protein is going to be an adjective. So you might be thinking an adjective, but think about it. It says provide plenty. Will provide what? Provide plenty of. So it would actually be a direct object, which we know has to be a noun or a pronoun. So of protein is acting as an adjective. All right, and then lastly, number 10, it says, what do you eat on a typical day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? All right, got a lot going on here. So we have on a typical day is a prepositional phrase, and for breakfast, lunch, and dinner is a prepositional phrase. You have a compound object because you have and. So let's think about it. On a typical day, what do you eat? Eat is a verb, so on a typical day it would be an adverb phrase. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner, well, that is going to be modifying eat as well. So you just have 2 different prepositional phrases, but they're modifying the same word. That is totally fine. So since they're both modifying verbs, then they're both acting as adverbs. All right, so I'm begging, this is me begging you to please put a star or a mark by any of these that you don't understand. As of right now, my office hours are still Monday and Thursday from 8:15 to 9. All you should have to do is click the link that is on the top of the Distance Learning Week 2 lesson plan or pacing guide. Also, guys, if you can't get to me during that time for some reason, and that reason being you're probably asleep, but anyway, we're not going to go into that. You can email me and say, Miss Garavelli, can I please set up a time to meet with you? And I will make it work. We'll make something work so we can set up a Zoom meeting so that we can chat and talk and discuss this if it is during a time that's not my office hours. But it's up to you to take responsibility for your own learning, meaning if you know that there are some things that you're confused about, you can't just sit there and say, doesn't matter. Because, guys, this is not going to go on forever. We're not going to have online school forever. And so these are things that you're going to be expected to know when we get back into the classroom. All right? So contact me if you need any help. Love y'all.